Pakistan is stepping confidently into the era of artificial intelligence, a future where innovation meets opportunity and ideas redefine the nation's progress. In collaboration with the Asian Development Bank, IGNITE, National Technology Fund under the Ministry of IT and Telecom, has united policymakers, innovators, researchers, and industry leaders to develop AI use cases across key priority sectors, from EdTech and Health Tech to Agri-Tech, FinTech, Climate Tech, and GovTech. The National Workshop on AI Use Case Development became a platform for inspiring discussions, hands-on sessions, and collaborative problem-solving, empowering participants to create AI solutions for Pakistan's most pressing challenges. This workshop is more than an event. It's a movement toward innovation, knowledge, and progress. AI for Pakistan. Innovation for tomorrow. The future starts now.